Your phone just gave you a dopamine hit for clicking this video, right? But what if I told you that scrolling in 2025 is like smoking in the 60s? Everyone's doing it, but it's slowly wrecking your focus. Let's flip the script. Every time you refresh your feed, your brain gets a micro hit of dopamine. That's why you'll watch 15 cat videos but bail on reading this sentence. Here's the hack trick your brain. Tonight, set app to time limit mode. When it cuts you off at 20 minutes, panic, then realize this is JOMO. Your phone's not a Tamagotchi. It doesn't need constant checking. Next time you reflexively grab it, say, "Who's the boss here?" Beat. If you hesitated, we've got work to do. FOMO's for rookies. JOMO, the joy of missing out, is the power move. Try this. Leave your phone at home for a coffee run. You'll sweat through withdrawals, then actually your latte. Your phone's a cluttered attic. Time to Marie Kondo that mess. Slash 50% of your apps. Keep only what sparks joy, pays your bills. Ever feel your phone buzz, but it's just your leg hallucinating? That's your brain for stimulation. Reset it with analog Sundays, 4 hours weekly with 0 screens. Read a book, touch the grass, or, God forbid, talk to humans. Your attention's worth $1,200 an hour. Stop giving it away for free. Smash like if you're done being Zuckerberg's puppet, subscribe for weekly power moves, and comment on your #1 screen time villain. Let's build an army of focus ninjas.